Ubamthembile wena le TV.
La ithimini. It's either uNqubeko Dlamini.
A few moments later.
Uba vice president wale South Africa.
Vice. I don't know. I think David Mabuza or something angazi.
I don't think he will come back again.
It's a World Cup in 2006.
2006. 2006. The final was between France and Italy, ne? Yeah, we know Italy. Del Piero, I think, or God.
Uba igama lomdlali wayiqo number 10 la team sewa retire. 10 wa retire.
Sbego, Lucky Sbego, ne?
Ubani igama la coach wama Springboks.
I saw this in the morning. Ubani. What's the name of the guy? Got a man. Senkhohliwe, but I know.
Upholiwe. Akutatazelwa.
Spell consequences.
It's CONCEQU E bese kuba NCES. Ubani kodwa amabox? Ubani?
Erasmus.
Urasi, yeah.